Welcome to our video on tackling one of the most common challenges in Jolt specification, working with nested arrays. If you're watching this video, chances are you've encountered a situation where your data is structured in a way that's giving you trouble. Don't worry, you're not alone. Many developers struggle with nested arrays, but today we'll break down the concepts and provide you with a clear understanding of how to handle them. In this video, we'll explore what nested arrays are, why they can be problematic, and most importantly, how to work with them effectively. By the end of this explanation, you'll have a solid grasp of the concepts and steps involved in handling nested arrays in Jolt specification. So, let's dive right in. So, what exactly are nested arrays? Simply put, a nested array is an array that contains other arrays as its element. This can lead to complex data structures, making it difficult to access and manipulate the data. One of the primary reasons nested arrays can be challenging is that they require you to think recursively. You need to consider each element in the outer array and then iterate through the inner arrays, which can be daunting. To better understand this concept, let's use an analogy. Think of a nested array like a set of Russian dolls. Each doll has smaller dolls inside it, and those smaller dolls have even smaller ones inside them. To access the smallest doll, you need to open each larger doll first. Now, let's talk about how to work with nested arrays in Jolt specification. The key is to break down the problem into smaller, manageable parts. You can start by identifying the outermost array, and then recursively iterate through each element, accessing the inner arrays as needed. Another crucial aspect to keep in mind is data transformation. When working with nested arrays, you often need to transform the data into a more suitable format for your application. This might involve flattening the array or rearranging the elements in some way. To illustrate this, imagine you're building an e-commerce platform and you have a nested array of products with various attributes like name, price, and category. You want to display only the product names and prices on the front end. To achieve this, you would need to transform the data by extracting the relevant information from the inner array. Before we wrap up, let's summarize the main points discussed in this video. Nested arrays can be challenging due to their complex structure. Thinking recursively is essential when working with nested arrays. Break down the problem into smaller parts and iterate through each element. Data transformation is often necessary to make the data more suitable for your application. And that's it. We've covered the basics of working with nested arrays in Jolt specification. Remember, practice makes perfect, so be sure to try out these concepts on your own project. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content on tackling common challenges in software development. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.